This is the double twist puncture machine, and its design is popular to Nihon Euro facilities. And this is the four-hand motorized, which has the good tension and to protect copper wire. In the payoff, there's no jump, so that its transmission is good for the digital and LAN cable. And this is puncturing that you see that is popular to use in the market. And the bone is the how to say that is fiber. Yes, the fiber bone materials. And this is the complete line for the 800 double twist puncturing. Okay, let's see that this is the machine testing. Use the insulation wires, and this is the appearance of this fold motorized payoff that you can check. The bobbin size is suitable for the 500 to 630. It's very convenient for the previous insulation line, and I'm doing the next steps.